S4GA has just launched a new product certified under FAA, ICAO and EASA regulations. Also complete with the military NVG capable optics. Product is unique. The principle for design for this LED PAPI was to have an LED PAPI as simple as halogen. It's IP65, so water and dust ingress protection is high, and it's not a problem to be installed in a tropical island or desert. S4GA is presenting a generation 2 of the system, allowing for a complete control of the entire airport. The system has been built on the principle of the FAA regulations and is compliant with multiple from A to D requirements of FAA for the Airfield Lighting Control and Monitoring systems. Safety, of course, the principle number 1 of this system. I will present to you a new product, a high-intensity runway light, entirely powered by solar energy, suitable for non-precision as well as precision airports. The product is completely integrated within S4GA technology and system, controlled by a Generation 2 ALCMS, and available for every airport that is struggling today with wired systems, 6.6 systems, or the 6.6 systems are no longer suitable for the airport operations.
How is solar-powered runway lighting different? How is it better? And what kind of advantages does it have in regards to conventional system? Well, number 1, solar solution is green and sustainable. Solar permanent runway lighting offers an airport significant savings in terms of CAPEX, OPEX, and of course maintenance. Today, we supply our solutions to customers all over the world, including Latin America, Asia, Africa, and Europe.